And as the pandemic continues, tonight we are looking back at 1 year of the coronavirus vaccine when the shots were administered for the first time here in the U.S. More than 200 million Americans now are fully vaccinated. But we are still battling the COVID-19 pandemic. Our Isabel Lawrence looks back and spoke with a doctor about the past year.
December 14th, 2020, a nurse in New York named Sandra Lindsay is the first to receive the COVID-19 vaccine.
2, 1, vaccinate.
Ohio followed suit.
This really is the day we've been waiting for. It starts the process of the end.
It truly is like the light at the end of the tunnel.
And more vaccines were on the way. On December 18th, Moderna was granted emergency use authorization for its vaccine, with Johnson & Johnson's single dose gaining emergency FDA approval February 27th. The vaccines, the tools President Joe Biden hoped would end the pandemic.
To correct course and meet our goal of 100 million shots at the end of my first 100 days as president.
But while vaccines were rolling out, so were new variants. In December, the first case of the UK variant in the US. Weeks later, the Brazil variant. And days later, the South African variant. More recently, Delta and Omicron.
These numbers are, quite simply, going in the wrong direction.
So 1 year later, what do doctors have to say about where we stand?
I was really excited to get my first vaccine December of last year, and I did not think we'll be where we are today.
Today, the Cleveland Clinic has about 800 patients hospitalized with COVID in their Ohio health systems. About 200 of those are in the ICU, and about 80% are unvaccinated.
We are seeing one of the highest volumes since the pandemic started almost 2 years ago.
2 years in, she won't give up, encouraging people to get vaccinated to take care of our community.
I understand the COVID fatigue. I truly understand. But let's look at it as a way of getting some normalcy and helping our system.
Now, I asked the doctor about the biggest surprise of the past year, and she told me it was the amount of misinformation out there that caused people to not get vaccinated. She wanted to make clear that vaccines are safe, they don't change your DNA, they don't change you, and they help keep you and your loved ones protected. And of course, they ease the burden on our hospital systems too.
I cannot believe it's been 1 year since that first vaccine. Time flies.
Yeah, so much has happened, so much good has happened, but still so much work to do as well.
Well said, so true. Isabel, thanks.